Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Daddy, help! We fell down.
Oh no. It's okay, baby.
Daddy,
Here you go.
help! Help!
You like your new helicopter?
Yeah, it looks
Yeah.
like Lincoln.
Yeah.
But it's like Harold. But it doesn't look like Harold to me.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
What are these? You see that? What are these?
Whoa!
It's spinning.
Yeah, Daddy built this for me.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. I don't know if I can reach that high.
Tail. Huh.
I don't think I can reach that high.
No, that's too high, but they will do it for
But
you.
because you're good.
Yeah.
Then but we need to take the wagon up so the kids will know that that is a tractor helicopter.
It's okay. You can,
It has a back tail,
yeah.
just like. And this is okay. Go in.
Time to go in. There we go.
Okay, here.
Let's close the door.
Close.
Hold on, we gotta
Closing, closing.
close the door. Oh,
Whoa.
whoa, what happened?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Are you cozy inside?
Yeah, it's super hot in here.
It's super hot in there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a spin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is my rotor on?
Yeah, let's turn on the rotor. Okay, the engine is on. Let's do it.
Open.
Yeah, we need to close the door.
Hey!
Yeah, there we go.
Fell off.
It fell off, yeah. Okay.
So, I need
Yeah.
to show the kids of the part of it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Everything.
Yeah.
So this is my house.
Yeah.
So here's the rotor.
The rotor here is
Yeah, up
coming
there.
off.
It spins.
It spins.
Yeah, it spins right there.
Yeah. There you go.
And all that features
Yeah.
is the wagon that you fly with.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's what you use.
Whoa, look at that. Look above you. That's the tail.
Yeah, but it has another
Yeah.
rotor right here.
Yeah, we need another rotor.
Yeah. Yeah, with batteries in it. Yeah, just like that one.
Yeah.
But we have to turn that one to safe.
Yeah. Oh, now?
Yeah.
Let's open the door. Yeah.
Here.
Okay.
Cool. But on my airplane doesn't have that.
Yeah, your airplane doesn't have the door like this
My
helicopter.
helicopter.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Dad, there's this hole that I can see through.
Yeah, let's put the door clip.
Yeah, last time it fell off.
Yeah, it fell off, yeah.
Yeah, and where was it when it fell
Yeah,
off?
it was somewhere over there.
Get out!
Oh, the door open again.
Daddy, help!
Fun.
We fell down!
Oh no. It's okay.
Get out here!
Here you go.
Help! Help!
Can you climb up the tree?
No.
Yeah.
Can you help me climb up the tree?
I think it's too big for you.
I want you
Try
to
the
help
small
me.
one over there.
Push that.
Yeah.
I can be like a monkey. It's not working.
It's not working.
Is it strong? Whoa. Whoa!
Oh, you broke it.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
I just broke the whole tree down.
Yeah. It's broken.
Hello, guys. Super spiky. Ow. What if I can climb up that tree? That
Okay.
cute. It would be an extra helper just to do that. Yeah, I can't reach. Yeah, but then I need you to live right here. They'll go all the way there. Lift me up.
What is that? Snake?
Yeah. It's my,
Snake?
but,
Ooh, are you climbing? Climbing the tree?
yeah. Ah,
What is that?
it was like slugs.
Might be a slug.
Ah, sticky mom.
Yeah. Okay, let's climb down. Might be a slug. Hey,
I think we'll do on that end.
you can swing here like a monkey here.
What? Daddy, I need you.
You done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa!
I want you to let me off again.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Swing like a monkey?
Yeah, I will like.
You ready?
Yeah.
Whoa!
I want you to drop me. I want you to get me up there and I'll fly like a bird.
Okay, this is gonna be the last one.
Wait.
You done? You gotta hold on.
Let go.
You gotta hold on.
I need to do. I did it. I fly.
Okay, let's go into our helicopter chopper.
I'll beat you. Because I'm a fat. Go back. Got you. That's stop. Daddy,